Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about Black Friday in the United States. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is Black Friday the day before Thanksgiving? No, it's the day after Thanksgiving. Did the name Black Friday originally come from store discounts? No, it came from police officers describing the traffic and crowds. Do stores usually raise their prices on Black Friday? No, they offer big discounts and special deals. Is Black Friday considered the start of the holiday shopping season? Yes, it kicks off the Christmas shopping period. Do some stores open on Thanksgiving night for Black Friday sales? Yes, many open early to attract shoppers. Is Cyber Monday focused on in-store shopping? No, it focuses on online shopping deals. Do all Americans avoid shopping on Black Friday because it's too crowded? No, many people enjoy the experience and look forward to it. Does the phrase "in the black" mean a business is losing money? No, it means the business is making a profit. Was Black Friday invented in the 2000s? No, it started becoming popular in the 1960s. Is Black Friday one of the biggest shopping days in the US? Yes, it's the biggest shopping day of the year. Watch this feedback video again to review what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next adventure in this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next episode.